Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse audio on Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Filmora application and I'm going to show you guys how we can reverse audio on Filmora. Okay, here as you can see, I have prepared the audio and then I'm going to click on it. And if we want to reverse the audio, we can go to the speed. Okay, and here you can customize the speed and also the speed ramping. Okay, and since we want to reverse audio, we can choose reverse speed. But before it guys, I'm going to show you the original audio. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can reverse. Okay, this is the original audio and then I'm going to apply reverse speed to reverse the audio. Wait. And okay guys, that's all the way to reverse audio using Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.